Today we're going to do stamp game division. I happen to have a stamp game here, but in the link above, there is a paper stamp game that you can print out, color, and cut out so that you can have stamps to use at home. Looks something like this. So I have the full sheet, and then here we colored ours and cut it out. And you can use it the same way. So today we're going to talk about division with the stamp game. We're going to start with a problem that's not going to require any exchanging, and that won't have a remainder. Today, let's take the number 12, and we are going to divide it by 3 using the stamp game. So I wrote out our equation on this strip of paper. I have my bank. I have all of my stamps here where we're going to start. So my problem tells me that my dividend is 12. I want to make groups of 3. I want to see how many groups of 3 can be made out of the number 12. So let's go ahead and let's set out our stamps. So we have 1 10 and 2 units. Now, can I make 12 out of 1 10? No, I can't. So let's go ahead and exchange right away. So I'm going to set my 10 here so that I know that I'm going to exchange it for 10 units. I'm going to count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 units is the same as 1 10. I'm going to put this back. And you'll notice that I did not combine the two until I was sure that I had 10, because I don't want to have a mistake just because I counted wrong. So now we can start our problem. So I have 12 unit tiles, or unit stamps, and I want to put them into groups of 3. So here's a group of 3. Here's a group of 3. Here's a group of 3. I'm going to slide all my things up so we can see just a little bit better. Okay. And here is a group of 3. Okay, so how many groups of 3 did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4. We made 4 groups. So that's something that division tells me. It tells me that we can take a quantity and make groups of a certain amount with it. So here we started with 12, and we made 4 groups with 3 inside of those groups. So 12 divided by 3, we think is 4. But now we always want to go back and we want to check our answer. So I can count my tiles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is that the number we started with? Yes. You can skip count by 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. Is that our answer? Yes. Or if you're really good at your multiplication facts, you can say 3 times 4. 3 taken 4 times equals 12. So that is our general pattern for doing division with the stamp game. We write our equation on the strip. We set out the equation with the number tiles. We make groups using the stamps for the divisor. Then we continue to make groups until the groups cannot be made anymore. And the number of groups made is the answer. Now say we had something left over. We would say something like, these tiles left over are remaining. They are called the remainder. Remaining, leftover, remainder. We can write that on our strip of paper using a lowercase r. 22 R3. We would read that as 22 remainder 3. So that would look something like this. So if we had done a different problem and our answer was 22, but we had 3 unit tiles, unit stamps left over, we would say 22 remainder 3. And that would be our answer. Please continue to look for other resources on the MPS online resource section of the MPS homepage. Thank you.